Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add text shadow in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to New Project to create a new project. I will choose YouTube thumbnail and text and then create a new project. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. Next, we can go to Toolbar. We can find Type Tool. Click and hold. We can find Vertical Type Tool. In this tutorial, I will use Type Tool to make a horizontal text. And then we can click on Artboard and we can type it. For example, I type shadow. This is quite small. I press Ctrl A to select all. And then we can go to top toolbar. We can find size. I click and drag to change it to 150 pixels. Actually, we can change the text color. For example, I change to white, change to red, or I go back to black and press OK to apply it. I go to use Move Tool to move to center. And then if we want to add shadow for the text, we can double click to open, double click here to open layer style, and then I want to use spacebar to move the artboard to here, and then we can go to layer style, and then we can find drop shadow. Check the box to activate drop shadow. We can select drop shadow to show the drop shadow setting, and then we can change the angle, and we can change opacity, we can change distance, we can change the size, and also we can change the shadow color. For example, we can change to red, or we can go back to black. We can customize the drop shadow setting here, and then if we're happy with this, we can press OK to apply it. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. So this is how we can add shadow for text in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.